This is how to transfer Ethereum from crypto.com to MetaMask. Drop a like if this helps. Let's go. Start building passive income skills. Click the link down below. Simply put, in order to do this here, you want to open up the crypto.com application on your smartphone or mobile device, and it's quite simple as you can see here. Go to the home tab on the bottom left hand screen and click on ETH or Ethereum. As you can successfully see, Ethereum is in a uptrend. Now once it's been loaded on crypto.com, if you want to transfer the ETH or Ethereum from crypto.com, as you can see here, you want to scroll down and scroll up. Next to analysis and balance, as you can currently see, you have a couple different options to deposit the ETH or to send the ETH. As you can see, you want to select the network of your choice, make sure it's on ERC20, and then you want to copy the address right here on the screen. Open up the MetaMask free cryptocurrency wallets and then locate Ethereum or ETH. And now you want to see here on the screen, on the ETH, you want to copy the address. Simply put, underneath tokens, click on receive next to send. For the receiving address, copy the ETH or the Ethereum address like so. And now once the address has been copied up, go back to crypto.com free cryptocurrency wallet to